Hello people, welcome back to Tech with Aarti. Today we are going to do an unboxing of Samsung A51 Galaxy A51. So here I have already purchased this phone, and then here comes a certain documentation. That's a quick start guide, regional lock guide and a warranty guide. And here we have a SIM ejector tool, and then we have a nice back panel or a cover. It's of a good quality. So now let's put this all away and look at our main piece here. So this is the phone, people. I have already opened it, so I can show you as to how it works. Look at the feel and maybe the color. The color is amazing, people. And then I would like you to tell that to feel also it is very light on hand. So this Samsung Galaxy A51 is with an AMOLED display of 1080 into 2400 pixels and 405 ppi with Corning Gorilla Glass in it, with a Corning Gorilla Glass in it, and an aspect ratio and a punch hole camera. So here it is with the version is Android 9.0 Pie with one UI. So and the chipset is Samsung Exynos 9611 with octa processor. Here the processor is octa core, and they have a variant of 6 GB and 128 GB, and they have a variant of 8 GB and 128 GB. Now let's speak about the camera and the clarity. Here it is a 48 megapixel main camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and then a 5 megapixel macro camera, a 5 MP megapixel depth sensor, and then a LED flashlight. So here the best feature of this phone is this a setting called macro in the camera setting, and then it maximizes the images and you can zoom it and see. It acts as a magnifier here. So the other thing over here is about the phone is it can be expanded to 512 GB. Now let's go to the other things. It has a very smooth interface and it doesn't have any bloatware, people. And then the Wi-Fi and everything, Bluetooth and all other things are already available in this phone. And what about the USB port? The USB port here is type C, and the sound, that is the jack, is 3.5 mm audio jack. Yes, it has face recognition and fingerprint scanner and lots of other sensors. Here the battery is a 4000 mAh with LiPo battery, that is non-removable, and it has a very quick 15-watt charger here that you can see. The charger, and then here we have the charger plug, USB plug, and they have given a very nice earphone with this, which I feel is very good at this price. So here the price of our Samsung Galaxy A51 is 23,999, that is 23,999 for 6 and 128 GB, and a 2,000 more for 8 and 128 GB. Now what about the weight of this phone? The weight of this phone is 172 grams, and the color that I have got is a Prism Crush blue, and to hold, believe me people, it's very light with a punch hole camera. So here our Samsung Galaxy A51 for you all. If you're planning to buy this phone, kindly don't think twice, just go and buy. And one more thing I would like to say is this phone was released during the time of Feb or March, that is why it is not into much fame. But Samsung is a pretty good and durable phone if you ask me, when compared to any other phones. So this is how I buy my Samsung Galaxy A51. If you like this phone or any feature of this phone, you can put into my comment box, and kindly do like, share and subscribe with, if you haven't subscribed, with your friends and family. So that's it for today, friends. Bye. Have a nice day.